The global food demand is estimated to grow by 70% to feed 9 billion people by 2050. This will require at least 80 billion of annual investments. In India alone, 55% of the workforce is employed in agriculture, while more than 150 million farmers lack access to institutional credit. The increasing events of natural catastrophes due to climate change is impacting agriculture and increasing the risk of lending in the sector. How can we use advanced technology to assess this risk? SatSure SatSource report is helping banks and financial institutions globally to understand and mitigate the risk of financing in agriculture. SatSure uses advances in satellite remote sensing, machine learning, and cloud computing to deliver actionable insights to underwriters to help them make smarter decisions. Every plot can be monitored using satellite imagery by the process of geotagging the farmland. How does this happen? We start by analyzing Earth observation satellite images using remote sensing. It uses the concept of electromagnetic spectrum, which has different bands like visible spectrum of red, green, blue, and other bands of near infrared, shortwave infrared, etc. The electromagnetic reflection is captured by satellites, which is used to create a digital twin of the crop growth on the ground by tracing the phenology of the crops. Time series satellite data is used and correlated with cropping cycle and sowing dates to create unique crop signatures which help monitor the crop growth cycle from sowing till harvesting. There are many remote sensing indices used for vegetation monitoring. The most widely used in creating a crop phenology is NDVI, which uses near infrared and red bands. Using these indices, we get a unique glimpse into not just the present but also the historical performance of the crops in a plot. A continuous monitoring of current and previous seasons helps us understand what crop was growing in a season, where was it growing, how was its condition. Such a time series analysis of the farmlands for the last 3 years is used to generate a risk score. SatSure sources the land ownership details and the land boundary details directly from the state government portals to get you the most updated digital information about a land record. The SatSource report uses 25 unique parameters to help underwriters understand the risk of lending through the risk score created for each farmer and the farm of interest. Today, SatSure has enabled more than 2 million farmer loans and helped settle more than 400,000 insurance claims. This is just the beginning. Let us work together to enable financial inclusion of the farmers by creating a positive impact on the lives of small and marginal farmers. Join the journey of digital transformation across the world through SatSure's Decision Intelligence from Space.